David is a little bit worried about you.
Why?
Well, he's worried that you might be upset.
Why am I upset? I'm upset because you didn't bring me any ice cream.
I thought you wanted cake.
What did she say?
I'm upset she didn't bring me any ice cream.
He thought maybe you'd be upset because we were picking on you earlier.
Why? Because I had that knee brace funny.
Well,
I ordered another knee
Whatever
brace.
that thing was.
I ordered another knee brace.
Good. Does it?
I ordered some cat steps too.
Oh, good.
Some what?
Cat steps.
What are they? Steps for what?
For the cats.
To climb up high things.
Well, yeah, they're not fat enough. Let's bulk them up more. Here, kitty. Here, kitty. You don't have to do nothing. Well,
You
why don't
go
you get
find
them
them-
little carts?
I'm
too?
thinking about for Tabby, who has a hard time climbing on the couch or climbing on my bed. She's got little steps up to your bed and up to the ramps and
She
stuff.
don't have steps. She just jumps.
She has that thing to get up onto your
Jumps
bed,
up on that, yeah.
and then she jumps up on the bed.
Yeah.
Well, she needs something like that for my room. She likes to sleep with me, too.
I used to have a ramp. I don't know what happened to that.
Oh,
She probably told us to get rid of it
yes, she did.
at one point or another.
But nobody was using it.
Well, our cats weren't as old yet.
Well, they wouldn't. Nobody was using it. None of the cats were using it.
Don't
Or-
have to worry about me. I'm fine. You didn't make me upset.
No, now I'm worried about this other crap.
I cried.
I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to have to put it after you guys don't want it.
I'm crying.
Well, if it's the one that if she gets the one that comes apart into the different pieces, then I thought it could be put in a couple of places. We could put one part of it by the couch and two parts of it by my bed off the end of my bed, and then she'd be able to get up on there
Then it'd
easier.
be another thing. Oh, it's not working. Why? So I'll just put it in Dave's room. We don't need it anymore. I don't need it no more.
Let's let Dave climb on it.
It's like these.
Yeah.
How often do you use these?
I don't.
Yeah. How often do you use these?
I'm afraid I'll fall over. I don't use those at all. We can sell those at the garage sale.
You've got two of them,
I know,
She's
we
got
can
two
sell
of 'em.
both
and you don't use either
I
one.
don't
No,
use
well,
either
maybe
one.
keep the canes, because one day we might need a cane.
They're
They're
not
adjustable,
sturdy
aren't
enough.
they?
When my knee feels like it's going out,
Yeah.
I need that thing.
Well, that's because your knee is
Yeah,
crappy.
because my knee is.
But we should probably keep those canes. I don't know what we want to do about those walking sticks.
Keep those too. You may need them some with your knees. You may need them. sometime.
Yeah, no, I'd be more likely to use a cane than the walking stick.
These are for walking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And boy, you guys really do a lot of that around here.
No,
No, that's
we
right.
talk about it once.
I was gonna say, that's like those stupid poles I got back
She's
there.
got those long, tall poles, too, doesn't she?
I thought those were going to be used, but they weren't. I feel like I'm going to fall over when I use them.
Same with those little things. Well, why did you think, when you tried the really big ones, the big, sturdy,
Those
strong
ones I can
ones,
walk with.
why did you think then that the little dinky, wobbly ones were going to make
Which
you
says-
more sturdy?
It says that you cannot use them as support.
You cannot use them as support, and that's the problem is,
Couldn't use
You
the
need
other
support.
ones as support either.
What, the poles?
Yeah, not really.
Well, you don't have enough strength to hang on to. Oh yeah, exercise. I saw her exercise today. All right, that's enough.
10 times.
Are you sure?
10
Out there
times.
waiting for her toes.
Oh yeah, it's all out there.
She's getting better. She's timing her toast with the
Instead of with the microwave.
10 times. Toast is ready.
Quit worrying about me. Go get me some ice cream. Quit worrying about me.
She's throwing us out of her room.
Okay, let's get out.
These you might as well.
No.
You're not keeping these.
Yes, I am. If that brace helps my knee.
Okay, let me mark.
Let's get it on film.
Here.
Go ahead, say it.
If that brace
Where's
helps
the?
my
Give me a
knee
pencil.
feel more
I'm gonna
sturdy.
mark this right here.
If the knee feels more sturdy, I'll feel more confident in using those.
Okay, we'll try it and we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
That's horseshit.
Remind me to film it. So I don't forget.
Go away. Quit worrying about me.
Sometimes I forget.
Bring me ice cream.
The ice cream. Well, maybe Dave will. He's nicer than I am.
Yes, he is. He worries about me. You don't.
He does worry about you. I let him worry. He worries enough for both of us.
Yeah. Well, you don't. That's for sure.
No. I'm not a worrier. I'm not a nurturer either.
No shit.
Can you believe the way these people talk to me?
You're not gonna get no caregiver award this year. I'll tell you that right now.
What about last year?
I'm getting sick and everything. I'm already looking for a different caregiver. 'Cause I don't. What?
No, I'm sad.
Oh crap! You're sad. You better get your mom some ice cream.
No, you do it.
Why me?
Because I don't like
That's
her.
your mom.
I don't like her though.
You don't. Sharon,
She's being mean to me.
if I was you, I'd be looking for a new daughter.
She looked. She couldn't find one.
Couldn't find one as mean, right?
She couldn't find one as wonderful.
Oh, wonderful. Come on. Now she's in there on her computer.
She's on her computer. Oh, because she ordered the wrong steps. I put them in the cart, the ones I wanted,
Oh. Oh, in her cart?
in her cart, and she deleted them
And she deleted
and
them?
ordered something else. She's a bad orderer. That's why I'm angry with her. That's why I'm not getting her no stinking ice cream. That's why she's fixing it. So I'll get her some.
Get her some ice cream.
What should we do with those?
Her fire blanket.
I know. I was thinking we put one in the car. Or else we're gonna need a fire blanket.
Well, we gotta start a fire because then we can't use the blankets if we don't have a fire. Okay, what does that mean?
Well,
We're
they're to
gonna
put
test it?
out a fire. You're not supposed to test it. But where would we have a fire that we wouldn't have a hose? I mean, around the house we have hoses.
Inside the house.
Okay, so maybe one of them in that cabinet and one of them in the car?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Okay, we had both of them up in that cabinet. I don't see much use
I
for
mean,
that.
if you, depending on everything what's going on, and if we get rid of the car and get something else, then you have a,
Yeah, well, then they could both go in the car, in the vehicle.
I think you both go, one would be for your, kind of, both rigs.
Hmm.
Maybe you can do that, put them in both rigs.
Yeah, well, we could even do that now.
But there's,
Because when we sell the Subaru, we'll empty it.
most people don't know how to use these.
It shows you how to use them. Yeah.
Well, that's because your house gets on fire.
Not if your
And you
clothing's
roll-
on fire.
You roll yourself up so you
No, but
don't
it
burn.
tells you different kinds of fire.
What's
one
this here?
That's how to release it.
Release what?
The tapes from here. Pull tapes to release.
Jesus, how many people does
It says.
The house is on fire. How do you release this? Oh, quick, help! Help! Somebody please call the neighbor. Freaking Velcro.
Don't pull it out. Don't pull it out.
Well, I ain't gonna pull it out.
Okay.
You can't figure that out?
Well, it tells you
Well,
just
that's
in
true, you know.
case. It's people we're dealing with here, honey.
I was gonna say, they used to, you buy a new car, they used to have the thing in there
Gosh.
how to set the valves. Now you gotta say, don't drink the battery.
Don't drink
Fluid.
the battery acid. Did I ever go turn my water off?
No.